there you guys have it. A 2021 in Silver Flare and a 2021 in Red Mist. It's Saturday, I've got nothing to do for once, so I'm gonna head up to Bowling Green, try and get you guys some C8 footage. Not gonna take the C7 Z06, gonna take the Mercedes, but let me give you a quick cold start. Alright, let's roll. Currently en route to Bowling Green. You guys have seen over the past year and a half, I've gone up there a ton, trying to bring you guys as much C8 Corvette content as possible, and today is no exception. I'm gonna meet up with my friend Adam. He's got a 2021 Silver Flare C8, and his is unique in that it is the first Silver Flare production vehicle. So I'm really excited to see that in person. I'm gonna meet him over at the plant. They've also got a Red Mist C8 there too, so we're gonna get both new 2021 C8 colors in one video. If you have not yet subscribed, be sure to subscribe, turn on your post notifications. We are almost to 150,000 subscribers, so if you could help me hit that goal, I would really appreciate it. We're getting off the exit ramp now, so we will see you very soon. All right, so there it is. We got a Elkhart Lake Blue, a Red Mist, and the Silver Flare. Let's go ahead and say what's up to him. Take a close look at this baby. What's going on, man?
What's up, buddy?
Car's looking good.
Thanks.
It looks sick, man. So we got the 2021 Silver Flare C8, the replacement for the Blade Silver. How long have you had it for?
I got it on December 23rd.
Okay, so not too long. It's still pretty new.
It's still pretty new.
Putting some miles on her?
Yeah, it's got a little over 800 miles on it. Took it on a couple of little road trips around Kentucky and just playing with it.
Yeah, that's cool. So you got the brake. It's broken in now.
It's broken in now. We can have some fun.
Experience it all. So this is, again, Silver Flare, the replacement to Blade Silver. You got two LT interior.
Two LT interior.
GT2 seats.
GT2 seats and the two-tone black and red.
Oh, that looks so good. Yeah, I love that. Especially with the black wheels with the red calipers.
Yeah.
I think that ties in nice.
When I built the car, I wanted to tie it all together. You know, I wanted it to accent itself.
Sure.
So that's kind of where the red brake calipers came in and the red interior.
No, I think that looks great. And unfortunately, we don't have a sunny day. It's a bit cloudy, but you were saying that this paint definitely is like very versatile, right?
It's a very vibrant color. I mean, one of the things that I've noticed is every time you come out and look at it, depending on how the light's in it, it looks a different color. So sometimes it'll have a blue tint to it, sometimes it'll have a gold tint to it. It just really depends on the light. And sometimes it's, you know, like this, it's a very silver.
Yeah, it's like a more true.
I realize that that's kind of a play on words, but you know, when you see it in different light, the car takes on a different personality every time.
I can see it's got, I mean, I can see that blue that you're referring to a little bit now, or maybe it's just my mind playing tricks on me, but it's a pretty color for sure. I definitely like it. I think it looks really good. And then you guys will see this back here. Got the 007 plate, because this is VIN number 7. So
VIN number 7.
That's pretty rare to see this low of a VIN number out and about. I generally think that I like the Z51 spoiler, but for some reason this looks so clean without it. So
that was kind of my personal opinion.
Yeah.
And you know, that's what's really cool that GM did with the C8 is they gave us all the option to design the car the way we wanted to.
Exactly.
And for me, it was this body line right here.
Yep.
That the Z51 spoiler kind of takes away. It's still there. It's the spoiler sits there, and then you've got this belt line right here. And I thought that just had such a clean look that I personally preferred it without, and that's.
No, I think it looks great.
You know, I'm not bashing on anybody else's car when I say that.
Sure.
The other thing I did, I put the chrome badging on it.
Okay, yeah.
To blend with the silver.
Yeah, I think that actually looks pretty good, because if it were black, it may kind of break it up too much. So that's actually pretty unique. And then new to 2021, you can get the performance exhaust.
Yes.
Without getting Z51. So speaking of, let's go ahead and get a listen to it. Nice. Yeah, that sounds awesome. Let me get one more shot from the front here. And then also we've got a red Mist C8 up there. So we've got both brand new colors for 2021, you know, practically side by side. So there you go. We're gonna hop up there, take a look at this red Mist. This is the replacement to Long Beach Red Metallic. This one's actually a convertible. This one down here is a coupe. If you guys have not yet watched the review video I did with the Long Beach Red Metallic one, go ahead and check it out. Video is linked down below. This one's pretty interesting too. It's much more like, kind of like candy apple, I guess.
To me, in my opinion, it's very candy apple, and it's also very European. It's a very Ferrari-like color, and I forget the technical name.
Like Rosso Corsa or something
Rosso
like that?
Corsa
Yeah,
Red, yes. It's very much like that color, and what I'm seeing here is a little bit of gold undertone in that as well.
Yeah,
and I think that's where you're getting that really deep color from that.
I could absolutely see that. And yes, pretty. And then I guess these are the
edge red.
Edge red, yeah. So that's unique as well. And this is again a hardtop convertible, Z51, black nacelles and roof. So this is pretty unique. And then the Elkhart Lake Blue over here gets not as much love, but it's still pretty cool. I mean, that's not a new color, but it's still an interesting, you know, not your typical blue.
And he's done the body color binning and boomerang here.
Oh, true. Yeah. Wow. Interesting. Good call. I don't know if I've seen that in fully. Just one full, no, nothing to break it up at all. Interesting. We got three very unique cars in close proximity. Is this a 2021 as well, you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, all these will be 2021.
Okay, 21.
Even the two-tone black and gray.
Oh, on the interior?
Yeah.
Interesting. Huh. Yeah, I think yours is a really clean spec again with the how it just all ties in nicely with the color spec. I guess this is the closest we'll get to the sunlight, is having these artificial lights down here shining up on it, because it's a pretty overcast day here in Bowling Green. So we're gonna get a couple rolling shots of this so you can see what it's like kind of moving about, not sitting still, and stay tuned for that. Here's a pretty cool feature as well. Adam pointed out, it says Team Corvette right there on the driver's side of the windshield. We've also got a little picture of Zora right there as well. Some nice subtle Easter egg details, but I like it. Again, it's just so cool seeing it right here. These are the first 21s I've seen. Again, 21, they didn't change the body or engine or anything really, but still nice to see some fresh cars out and about. Just for fun, I thought I'd show a comparison. This is Iridium Silver. I mean, obviously this is a Mercedes and this is a Chevrolet, but kind of interesting to see what two silvers look like. This one's got a lot more character to it, you can see. A quick look from the back view. It's almost like a more bright white, and this has got some more, again, depth and character to it. He's gonna do a quick drive-by for me. driving this out in the wild. You know, it's one thing when it's parked there, but this, you know, different lighting, different scenario. It's kind of interesting to see it out. Again, the sky hasn't changed a whole lot, but it does look a little bit different when it's out on, you know, different roads, different movement, all the above. So comment down below, what do you guys think? Do you guys like Silver Flare? I think I like it. I like it a lot. I think I prefer it over the Blade Silver, and I think it's a great color, especially the way that Adam spec'd out his. Gonna take a quick look at the museum, see what all we got going on over here. Masked up, ready to go. Just gonna swing by here. I think they should have some 21s in the lane. Oh, I am mistaken. They do not have any 2021s. So we're lucky that we saw the two that we saw. I guess you there are all the 2021s, I'm assuming. Because normally they're lined up here for everyone to take museum delivery, but perhaps that batch has gone out and they just haven't replenished them yet. Nevertheless, we got a good taste of C8s already. See you, man. Thank you.
Yep.
Appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thanks again to Adam for letting me take a look at his 2021 C8. Stay safe out there. Stay tuned for what's to come on the Drive 615 channel. Got a lot more reviews videos coming for you in 2021, so keep an eye out for those. And we'll see you guys in the next video.